South on St. College for Winston.
Under turn, just came off.
Sorry, just came off the vehicle.
Yeah, when he crashes and runs, don't chase him. The police dog is going to. We're southbound State College through Catella.
Southbound State College through Catella.
He keeps driving into us when we go for the pit.
Southbound through Orangewood.
Southbound State College through Orangewood.
Right, he's trying to actively hit the units.
Suspect actively trying to hit the units.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive, 35 miles per hour light traffic.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive.
There's a pit on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. The car isn't quite immobilized yet.
Hit on the vehicle in the area of City Drive.
They have the back end of the pickup truck stopped, so they're a 960 X-ray kind of, but the guy's on the gas trying to get away.
Attempting a 960X.
And a car to go to Memory and Bristol east of here and stop traffic there. This situation is still active. It looks like there's a shooting involved, so can you start the fire department?
10-4, we'll have Rice Station 31 and get medics.
Yeah, you can just have a fire department stage away. He's not in custody yet.
That's from, we'll have him stage away.
There's a pit on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. Car isn't quite.
Pin it.